Hey, Crypto Educate family, welcome back to my channel. Your support means the world to me, so please like this video, drop a comment, share it, and make sure to watch it till the end. Your engagement helps us grow and brings more exciting content your way. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to join my Telegram channel for legit crypto updates and airdrops. All right, let's jump into some exciting news. Today, we're diving into some hot topics in the crypto world, especially focusing on the Pi network and its recent developments. So let's start with the real-time stats. The current Pi price is $38 and its trading volume over the last 24 hours is $263,004. Unfortunately, the price has plummeted by 7.11% in the last day, but has increased by 5.13% over the past week. Now, let's talk about the market cap. Pi's market capitalization stands at a big fat zero, with a maximum supply of 100 billion Pi coins. And get this, the circulating supply is also zero. That's right, 0 coins in circulation. Currently, Pi ranks 2,148 on the market. The Pi price today is a whopping 88.23% below its all-time high, but it's also 21,597.12% above its all-time low. Quite the roller coaster, right? Pi Network hit its highest price on December 30th, 2022, trading at $299, while its lowest price was recorded on May 12th, 2023 at $17 and fewer. Since that all-time high, the lowest price was $17 cycle low, and the highest price since then was $130 cycle high. Despite all this fluctuation, the sentiment around Pi Network remains bullish. The Fear-Greed Index is showing a score of 30, which indicates fear in the market. However, the Pi Network blockchain is not yet publicly available on the Mainnet. Some exchanges are offering Pi Network IOU, but keep in mind that IS don't necessarily reflect the price a cryptocurrency will have at launch and usually can't be transferred from one exchange to another. If you're interested in learning more about when Pi Network is going to launch, check out the links in the description. Now, let's talk about some significant milestones and updates. Pi Network has surpassed 12 million KYC Know Your Customer global users and announced new product updates as the open mainnet progress continues. The Pi core team's progress remains on track, thanks to the incredible contributions and innovations from its community. Pi Network is a Web3 app ecosystem and developer platform with a community of tens of millions of users mining and using Pi cryptocurrency. Today, we're celebrating the start of Pi 2-day festivities with an update on its progress towards the open network. In December, Pi announced its plan to move to the open network period of the mainnet in 2024 if the community reached a series of conditions. These include 15 million KYC Pi users, pioneers, 10 million people migrated to the mainnet, 100 real Pi apps on the mainnet or mainnet ready, continued progress with the core team's technical and product updates, and the absence of an unfavorable global external environment. To date, over 12 million pioneers have completed identity verification through Pi's native KYC solution, Pi KYC, up from 9.45 million in March. Additionally, 5.79 million people have migrated to the mainnet, up from 4.5 million in March. In terms of apps, 70 real distinct Pi apps are either on the mainnet or mainnet ready, solving true needs by delivering further utility to the Pi ecosystem, up from 50 in March. Our path to the open network relies on the collective efforts of the global Pi community, said Dr. Cheng Diaofan, a Pi founder and head of product. Together, the core team, community developers, and pioneers everywhere are working collaboratively to reach the open network in 2024. We're pleased to say that we remain on track due to the incredible contributions and innovations from our community. Over the past few months, the team has been diligently testing, optimizing technically, and revising various aspects, resulting in numerous updates in mainnet migration, KYC, and other blockchain components like the Pi node. These updates set the stage for our ongoing work and upcoming initiatives like the KYC grace period, second and following migrations, mainnet node and blockchain work, and more, which all facilitate the community to further progress Pi towards the open network in 2024, said Dr. Nicholas Cook-Hollis, another Pi founder and head of technology. Since Pi Day last year, March 14th, 2023, Pi has grown from 45 million to over 60 million engaged global users and launched a series of major ecosystem updates. First, Fireside Forum, a Web3 social media app with innovative tokenomics to create, curate, and moderate content. Second, Stake DMs on the Pi Chat app. another cryptocurrency integration to facilitate meaningful connections. Third, PICHIAN Network, the first actualization of the network's vision of platform-level utilities built on the back of its collective resources, such as the community size and engagement, collective attention, and verified digital identities. The initial version was released in Fireside Forum, and the platform is now being integrated with Community Pi apps. Pi Network anticipates further momentum in 2024 as the core team looks to foster further growth in utility and community for all pioneers globally. Shifting gears, let's talk about the broader crypto market, particularly Bitcoin. Despite recent dips, the cryptocurrency is still following historical 4-year price patterns and is expected to soar in 2025. The digital coin usually surges significantly in the year after halving. Bitcoin's long-term value is driven by several factors beyond just the halving. 10 stocks we like better than Bitcoin. Even with recent volatility, Bitcoin's immediate and long-term future looks appealing. It might not seem like it, but Bitcoin BTC minus 1.02% is right on track to hit a new all-time high in 2025. Even with the recent dip and its inability to mount any substantial momentum, the cryptocurrency is following a pattern resembling that of past years when it went on to hit new highs. As for the path it takes between now and then, only time will tell, but with little number crunching, it will be clear that 2025 is shaping up to be a great year for the world's original cryptocurrency. Patterns are becoming clear. Bitcoin has demonstrated clear, notable price patterns over its history, occurring over the course of 4 years. Typically, what we see is a bear market like the one in 2022, a notable recovery in the following year, continued progress in year 3 when the halving takes place, and then a cyclical peak hits in the year after the halving. We are currently in year 3, the halving year, and Bitcoin appears to be following the traditional 4-year pattern this time around, just like in the last cycles. This means that we can use some of its historical performance to get an idea of what 2025 might have in store. Looking to 2025, past performance, of course, is no guarantee of future results, but a bit of speculation can be healthy and help us gauge overall long-term potential. With that said, back to the 4-year model. In the years that a halving occurs, Bitcoin increases by about 125% on average. If this holds true this year, then that means we could expect to see Bitcoin hit nearly $100,000 by the end of 2024. This price was derived by calculating a 125% increase from Bitcoin's price at the beginning of the year, which was $44,000. So let's jump ahead to the end of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. On average, in the year after a halving, Bitcoin returns a blistering 400%. The most obvious reason for such monumental performance during these years is that the market begins to adjust to the halving, meaning that in these years, the supply shock finally materializes. If this happens again and Bitcoin finishes 2024 in line with the historical average, that would put its price around $500,000 in 2025. Final considerations to keep in mind before wrapping this up. It's worth highlighting that as fanciful as this number might sound, Bitcoin often exceeds expectations in bull markets. It has made a name for itself by doing this. So even though $500,000 might seem outlandish, stranger things have happened. For instance, the crypto jumped 850% in 2011. But to be completely honest, whether Bitcoin hits this price or not in 2025 shouldn't really matter for investors. What's crucial is understanding the long-term dynamics that make it a unique investment. The price is driven by its supply and demand dynamics, which are changing favorably as the years pass. For example, its supply is capped at 21 million coins, 19.7 million now, are in circulation. And this scarcity is one of its defining features. And demand is increasing. Institutional interest has surged in recent years, and the introduction of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds will further democratize access. Retail interest also remains strong, with an ever-growing number of individuals looking to it as a store of value. Then there's Bitcoin's decentralized nature and its growing role in a world where trust in traditional financial systems is wavering. The digital coin offers an alternative that is not subject to government control or monetary policy, and increasing luxury as fiat currencies continue to inflate. Investors would do well to focus on these dynamics rather than fixate on precise price targets. Bitcoin's potential to redefine finance and serve as a robust store of value remains strong, making it a compelling investment, especially as it experiences a pronounced sell-off. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And remember, all the links for my Telegram channel and other resources are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.